Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post bet on Kalshi. First, open the Kalshi website on your laptop and logged into your account, and make sure you have already deposited money so you are ready to trade. On the home screen, look for the sports category, click or tap it to see available sport questions and events. Each sports question has two options: yes, you think it will happen; no, you think it will not happen. Each contract costs between 0 and $1. The price shows how likely the market thinks outcome is. Enter how many contracts you want to buy, then click buy. If your prediction is correct, each winning contract pay out $1 when the email ends. You can also sell earlier before the game ends if the price goes up. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.